In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Reels to your Squarespace site. If you want to feature your Instagram content directly on your website, this is a simple way to do it. We'll first grab the embed code from Instagram and then place that code into an embed block inside Squarespace so the reel can display on your page. To begin, open Instagram and go to the reel you want to add. Once you're on that reel, click the three dots menu. This opens the options for that post, including sharing and embedding tools. From that menu, click on Embed. Instagram will then generate the code needed to display that reel outside of the platform, which is exactly what Squarespace needs in order to show it on your site. Next, click Copy Embed Code. This copies the full code snippet to your clipboard. Make sure you copy the embed code itself because that's what will be pasted into Squarespace in just a moment. Now switch over to your Squarespace site editor and navigate to the page or section where you want the Instagram reel to appear. Click Add Block. This lets you insert a new content block into the layout. In the block search area, type Embed. This helps you quickly find the correct block type instead of scrolling through all the available options. When the embed block appears, click on Embed to add it to the page. At this stage, the block is placed, but it still needs the Instagram code before anything will display. After adding the block, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the settings for that embed block and gives you the option to choose how you want to add the content. Inside the editing window, click on Code Snippet. This is important because you're not embedding a simple link here. You're pasting the actual embed code provided by Instagram. Then click on Embed Data. This is the field where the code snippet should be inserted. Go ahead and paste the code you copied earlier from Instagram. Once the code is pasted in, your Instagram reel is ready to be embedded on the page. From here, you can continue adjusting the placement of the block within your layout if needed, so it fits nicely with the rest of your website design. And that's it. By copying the embed code from Instagram and placing it into an embed block in Squarespace, you can quickly add reels to your site and make your pages feel more dynamic and social.